Returning here is a whole 360. When I left, I never thought I would come back. Come back to where it all happened. That day broke something in me, but I didn't die. Not completely. I carried the silence like a backpack, heavy, invisible, and no one ever asked why my eyes stopped shining. My aunt knew. She had to have known the silence wasn't peace. Healing was my revenge. It was my way out of that darkness, so I did that. He still walks like nothing happened, still laughs like he didn't steal something, but I won't give him what's left of me. This story was never about him. It's about the girls who built a life out of rubble, the woman who forgave herself first, who said no more.
Z, something's wrong with me. What now? And why are you looking so sad? Did you fail the math test? Don't worry, girl, my marks are also low. No, it's not that. My period's late. Again. It's been 2 months now. So? That's like someone saying, my boss told me to take 2 months of paid leave. It's not normal. I feel weird. I've been tired all the time. I've gained weight. My skin is breaking out. And I read something online. I think it might be PCOS. P what now? Sounds like a science experiment. Polycystic ovarian syndrome. It's a hormonal disorder and it messes with your cycle and other stuff, like acne, mood swings. Girl, you're just overthinking. Everyone gets a pimple or two. You probably just ate too many chips. You don't get it. It feels different. Scary. You're fine, Leah. Stop reading all those medical blogs. You'll convince yourself you got every illness out there. Now cheer up. Let's go get some soda at the cafeteria.
Leah, Zendaya's mother called. She told me about your talk at school, about PCOS. I think it's a good idea we visit the doctor and get you checked, my girl.
I really think you should start a support group here at school. It could help so many girls understand PCOS and feel less alone. You'd be amazing at it.
PCOS doesn't define us. Knowledge does. And together we rise.
They all see the lights, the gowns, the glamour, but no one sees what it cost me, who I had to become, or who I had to leave behind.
There you are. We've got an after party at the embassy. Wear that silver dress, the short one, and smile this time. You're the product, remember?
Do I ever get to choose?
You wouldn't be here without me. You're nothing without me, Kay. Remember that.
You need to flirt more with the sponsors. They don't care about your boundaries. They want charm. Give it to them.
Please? I just want to breathe.
Enough, Nchibi. You're destroying her.
She's more than just a pretty face. She's a person, not your puppet. For so long, I thought this was the dream. But it was his, not mine.
Then take it back. Live your dream.
No more silence. No more shame. I'm done playing a role in someone else's script.
I walked away from the spotlight, not because I wasn't enough, but because I finally knew I was.